The Ubercloud HPC experiments have been founded to foster the adoption of especially high-performance technical computing in the cloud. We started this 2 years ago to build experiment teams around each end user, industry, science, and then to take their application step by step to the cloud, analyzing the challenges, the pitfalls, the problems, and finding solutions for them. And then at the end of each experiment, writing a nice little case study and reporting about the benefits, the challenges, and solutions, and also lessons learned and recommendations. Now the next step is logically the App Store. So we are currently building an application store for the end users, which offers bundled solutions, engineering, scientific software on top, and then underneath specific cloud hardware resources with different options based on countries, for example, on location, regions, and based on also efficiency for parallel engineering applications, for example. This App Store already now contains a handful of offers, and we hope to extend this by the hundreds over the next 2 years. Yeah, so there is, I think, no single one big barrier. There are still a few ones, I would say 3 or 4, and the Ubercloud is addressing them all with a new technology. We use open source containers based on Linux, where an end user can package his or her application, the data, libraries like MPI and visualization, then close them and compress them, encrypt them, and then move it over into the cloud securely, where they are opened, and from your desktop then you can submit your application jobs. So this solves several of the roadblocks. Security is a much lower concern with this encryption thing, and even establishing a VPN link, a virtual private link to your cloud provider. There is then the data transfer. Engineers and scientists, they produce a lot of data, gigabytes of data, and very often it's a challenge to get them back. What we recommend and what we bundle with our containers is remote visualization features. So there is no big data transfer for that part of the process. Only a few megabytes of data are coming back in the form of a very nice picture. Another one, so we had security, we have big data. Another one is licensing. And I think these are the 3 most important ones. The current license models are based on annual perpetual licensing, but you don't want annual perpetual licensing obviously in the cloud. You use your application software for 1 hour, 10 hours, 100 hours, and you want just pay for what you use.